Today we're going to make this quick and easy minty green chicken. It's healthy, tasty, juicy and minty. Let's make it together. Here's a list of all the ingredients that I've also given in the description box for your shopping list. The first step is to make a marinade with all the ingredients ground into a fine paste in a mixer blender. And for that I've added coriander leaves and mint leaves. A few green chilies. These chilies are very small and tiny as they are homegrown, but an equivalent of this would be 1 or 2 medium-sized chilies. Some black pepper, that's half a teaspoon of black pepper and a quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. We're going to add half a teaspoon of salt, but this is as per your taste. And we're going to add a small piece of ginger about 1 centimeter in length. You may also add a couple of cloves of garlic if you like, but I'm not going to add garlic for this one. And we're going to squeeze half a lime to it. I'm going to give this mix a good grind until it becomes a very fine paste. And we may have to add some water so that it gives some liquid for it to grind into a fine paste. And I'm going to check the consistency, and yeah, I'm going to add a little less than quarter cup of water so that it gives enough liquid there. And then continue and see if we can make this a very fine paste. That's good, that looks good. The marinade is now ready. So let's cut the chicken and mix it well with our mint coriander marinade. We could let this marinate for about 20 minutes before starting to shallow fry, but this is a very flavorful marinade, so I think it's okay even if we are going to fry it straight away, because that's what we're going to do here. We've put the pan to a medium heat and added some oil. Here I'm using coconut oil again, as with most of my recipes if you've noticed before. But of course you're free to substitute this with another oil of your preference. We let the oil heat up for about 1 minute and then start to place our marinated chicken on top. As we added water to our marinade, it has a liquidy consistency. So we're going to take the chicken pieces out from the bowl separately, leaving some of the marinade in the bowl, which we shall add later when the chicken is fried. Let's keep moving and turning this chicken until it is golden brown. It would take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on the heat. There, the chicken has fried really well with its golden brown crust. This is what we are looking for. All those spices and mint and coriander would have blended with the chicken. I cannot wait to taste it. Now let's add the remaining marinade on top to make it a bit more juicier. Give it a good mix. And that's it, we're nearly done. That looks lovely and the aroma is so good. Let's taste it. I've decorated it with some onions there, and I love this green color. Let's go for it. It tastes delicious. It's not too spicy for me, and adding that coriander chutney on top has made it very juicy. It's really good. I love it, and I hope you will like it too. It goes well with rice. I'm going to have another piece with plain rice, and I'm going to enjoy this chicken. I hope you will try the recipe at home and subscribe to the channel to see more recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.